Welcome to Bluprint, a whole new way to explore your passions and pursue the things that make you, you. Come learn what you love from the people who live it. We've gathered trusted experts so you can stop searching, start doing, and nail your next creative adventure the first time around. There's always a way to get your creative fix, no matter how much or how little time you have. Got 2 minutes? Browse fresh inspiration and ideas daily. Got 20 minutes? Watch an exclusive series. Got 2 hours? Go in depth with an expert-led class. Dabble in something new, or go even deeper with your current favorite. There's no end to what you can learn and explore, whether you're craving a new idea or an exciting challenge. Our exclusive series, in-depth classes, and daily editorial are filled with ideas and people to inspire, educate, and help you tap into all the passions that make you tick. Creativity is always on demand. Watch anytime, anywhere, and at your own pace. What are you waiting for? It's time to turn your inspiration into action. We'll show you how.
What will you discover?
Design.
Paint.
Bake, build.
What will you do today? Bluprint. Watch and learn.